Y'all, do you see this color though? Like, tell me this is not gorgeous. Zury Sis is blowing these other companies out of the water right now. Like, I am honestly extremely impressed, you guys.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fear out of you and made no flow. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills up roads. Boy, you better take your time with me. I ain't playing no hide and seek. When it's mine, what I find I keep. Spending time like I know it ain't cheap. Boy, you better keep an eye on me. I'm a dream, but you ain't asleep. Better hit my line or hit the street. You don't wanna be missing me. One of a kind, better blow your mind. I ain't one of them concubines to get lost behind when you don't blow the spine. That too, cause you lose your focus. I know what they're doing is bogus. Hold this, I be using my lotus flower bomb to turn you on. So if I'm wrong, just sing along. Fondling my heart and soul. Run the play and make the goal. Steady, are you ready? Gonna pay the toll. Here come the confetti, now lick the bowl. You can call me Betty when you crack the pot. I'm sweaty when you pop the top. Pull the lever now, don't just stop. Hot and heavy when you hit the spot. Boy, you better take your time with me. I ain't playing no hide and seek. When it's mine, what I find I keep. Spending time like I know it ain't cheap. Boy, you better keep an eye on me. I'm a dream, but you ain't asleep. Better hit my line or hit the street. You don't wanna be missing me. I've been on when you've been over me. I'm beyond the sun, you're underneath. I've been having fun, you wanna be. I've been on the run and roaming free. You've been trying to get alone with me.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Off Big Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This unit is from Zury Sis. I'm wearing it in the style Gal and the color number 99J. So let's just pop right into the specs of this unit. So with this unit, you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, your adjustable straps, as well as an adjustable elastic band. It does come pre-plucked with HD lace as well as with baby hairs and 13x5 parting space, honey. So let me just come in and show you how good this hairline is looking, girl. Y'all, I gotta say, I am impressed with how they are doing their thing with this unit. The baby hairs were perfect. They were super thin and sparse, so there was no work needed, honey. So the cap size on this unit is definitely coming off small, medium, and big head friendly. Of course, my head is on the smaller side, so I did just go in and adjust the adjustable straps all the way. And I'm not using the combs in the front. I'm just using 1 comb in the back, and it's fitting my head pretty swell, you guys. So as you can see, the length on this unit is more on the natural side. I'm 5'3" for reference, and yes, that is coming like just to my shoulders. The density on this unit is definitely more on the fuller side. If I had to guess, I want to say it's at least about 150%, and it definitely could be more along the lines of 180% if you were to go in and finger comb these curls out. I really just love the way that these curls were, so I did go in and finger comb it just a little bit, but not too much, because I feel like the way that the curls are straight out of the box is just gorgeous. It's not looking fake or anything, it's just looking beautiful. So I didn't want to go and finger comb it out and ruin the curls, because I am living for this, you guys. Now, as you can see, this is a pre-styled unit, and with that 13x5 parting space, they did just go in and add some elastic bands to give it sort of a cute little throwback look. And I just like am living for this style, you guys. Everything about this unit, I am here for it. Now the texture on this one is definitely feeling more so on the dried side. If I had to guess, it's more leaning towards yaki. It's a little dried out, but I'm not really too mad at it. The quality of the hair feels pretty good. And this unit is also heat friendly up to 400 degrees. So let's just pop right into the cons and the pros of this unit. To be honest, you guys, I have literally no cons with this unit. I'm sure if I was to go in and finger comb it, I would get some tangling and shedding because it is a curly unit. I didn't experience any of that because, like I told you guys, I just messed with it a little bit and then kept pushing. So I really have honestly no cons on this unit. My pros on this unit are, number 1, I feel like this 99J color is everything, you guys. It's absolutely gorgeous. I feel like the baby hairs on this were wonderful. The hairline is great. The lace is wonderful. The style is super unique and cute and different, and I love it. The length is perfect. The curls are gorgeous. Like, this is just an all-in-all wonderful unit, you guys. So I feel like this is a hitter for me, especially for summertime, girl. Yes, I am all here for it. This unit is beautiful and I'm so happy that I picked it up. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.